Hello, my name is Niyamuda. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Alright, so this design that we're going to be replicating, alright, is we got it from this particular design here. Okay, so we improve it to this one. So we're going to start afresh again. Because of certain issues. So I'm going to start afresh. I'll remove everything again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'll remove everything so that we can start afresh again. So let's begin. Alright, so let's start. I'll bring in first I'll bring in this logo. Alright, I'll bring in the logo, this right here. Okay, then this, I'll bring in also these other informations. This, I'll bring in this. Alright, okay, I'll bring in this also. Alright, I'll bring in this. I'll bring in this. Okay, I think that's all that will be needed for this design. Everything that is completed now. So 1 minute more. Okay, so let's go. So I'll reduce this. I'll put it somewhere there. All right, this I'll reduce it like this. I'll work on it later. This can be here, and this can be here. Right? Okay, so this we're gonna put it right there. Okay, let it form like a the header logo. Okay, very cool. Then we'll come in, and I think the first information is going to be introducing KL, introducing K. So we'll go over there, we'll get the font. We're going to be using Bebas, all right, to make it bold. All right, and we use the color, the theme color, which is from this bank, KCB bank. Okay, so introducing. Okay, then we'll bring in this guy. Okay, KCB movie. Okay, that is it. All right, would should I centralize it? Okay, so let's centralize this, and then let's bring this text together. Perfect. Then the K in the KCB, let it be the green, like this. Okay. All right, so let's even make it dark. All right, so that is it. What are you going to? So this is the first information that will be here. All right, so the next is going to be take your bank. Where is it? Take your bank everywhere with you. All right, the idea is to tell the customer that anywhere you are, you can actually do transaction with them. So so this is it. Take your bank everywhere with you. All right, I'm going to use this. All right, and I'm going to take the vertical font. I'll use this board. Okay, so this color of the green here is not as that. I'm going to take it like this, bring it like this. Let's see. It's still not giving me. Okay, so it's more like it now. Oh, sorry, bring this guy to the front, take it here, increase this. Okay, and this, let it be here, and this, this, let it be there. All right, okay, so I wanted to send this to the back so that I would twist it. I want this. Okay, I want that card to show. Then I'll bring in a shadow sticker. I'll lock it, then move it, then unlock it, then go to color, black, or this. I'll bring it right there. Alright, reduce the opacity. I have formed a shadow there. Alright, still let me make it black. Alright, so the next information is this. I want the bank, or I want to emphasize the everywhere, because that's really the emphasis. Everywhere. Alright. Take your bank everywhere you go. So I don't know. Let's leave that. Then the other information that will be here is register your KL, blah 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 blah. Here. Alright, so this information will be here. Alright, it's going to be here like this. Okay. So like this. The color is black, of course. Let's go and get the font. We use this font for it. We'll make it bold, and yes, make it bold, and then we'll centralize it. Then we add space to it, line spacing. Then we'll emphasize the USSD code. Okay, this right here. And we even make the color, we change the color of the USSD code to, we change the color to maybe green or something. Let's see, can we make it green? No, I think this color is not bad. Alright, so don't forget this. Right, then I think the other information, let's take this to the side first. The other information is this. Right, we'll just put it somewhere there. Okay, how you can contact them. Alright, let's put it at the bottom here. Alright, so this information can be here. The font is the same thing here that was used. Okay, we'll make it bold, and we increase the size. Alright, then okay, having done that, I would let me do this now. I will bring this shape. I'll bring a shape and check the color. Which color will be cool for the base? Should it be this or this? I think this is not bad. Alright, if this is the case, then this guy here, we're going to make it this color here, and we're going to increase this and increase this, and let's make this 10. Okay, and that means we're going to make the color inside white. Alright, and we'll not forget to centralize it. Right, and we'll bring in that information. Okay, so this is done. Let's see, time 9 minutes is gone. So the other information that will be there is this and that and that. Let's see, let's increase this guy. I will put it there. Alright, so centralize this guy. Right, then let's bring in the other information. This is going to come here. Okay, making the difference. Okay, I'm going to bring this information here at the base. I'll bring it here at the base. Okay, I'll use a bold font for it. Let's use this guy. Okay, White will not be bad. White. Okay, then I'll copy it and I'll bring in another information here. Where are you? This one. This information we'll bring it. Okay, we'll copy it and we'll put it right here. Okay, then the color is going to change now at this point in time, so I'll put it there. All right. Okay, this guy is going to be there. Come to the front and we'll reduce it. Reduce, and we'll position it properly there. All right, so the last information is like a quote, making the difference. Okay, it's going to be there. So let's zoom this, and we'll bring this here. Oh, sorry, this will be here. All right, so we are good to go. Okay. So what's happening now? Sorry about this image abstraction. Let me get the exact size. Okay, that's it. Okay, so that's the information that will be there. That's the information that will be there, and we can still reduce this more and position it very well. Okay, this information even self. Okay, let's go and talk to this interactive chart. Can be this color. All right. Okay, we are good to go. So having done all this, we can we change this color now? Okay. The background I wanted to bring in before this whole thing crashed is this background right here. Right, I wanted to use this background to form. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. We're going to take this down. All right, we'll take this. All right, and we'll send it to the back. Cool. Okay. Okay, go again and do this. Alright. Reduce opacity. Alright, so let's see the time again. 13 minutes. Okay, so this is it. We are done. So this is going to be centralized, and this is centralized already. Let's just give a little space here. 1 2 3 4 5. All right, this, take it down a little, and this, bring it here a little. So that is it. Take the bank everywhere. Take note of that. Everywhere you with you, right? So everywhere you're going, your ATM card is with you. You can always at all time perform your transactions, your whatsoever you want to do. Let me double this copy and bring it back again. Alright, so okay, so I'll bring this to the front, then I'll bring this to the, should I even leave it like this? No, I'll bring this to the front. So this is it. It's just a simple design to show this stuff. So work on the alignment. Alright, it's all good. So we're good to go. can bring this out from this place if you like, or we can leave it at the wall like that. It's perfect. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you get more tutorials like this, and I will see you in the next video. So this of course is going to be here, and this is going to be there. All right, you will see more tutorials from me. This is Ni Amuda.